Maayong buntag ni Manyuhasayo, kamsahamnida for the trips to go.
Annyeonghaseyo, Agnes. Okay, so the other day that was Saturday, June 22nd, and today is already Monday. So you were not here Saturday and Sunday, so the reason why you will just receive this from Mayong Buntag Nim. So Mayong Buntag Nim gives you 2 trips to go and also 200 pesos allowance, and that is from Mayong Buntag Nim. Kamsahamnida. So study hard, okay?
Annyeonghaseyo, Inday. So, today at Tibeya, I will deliver to you your cucumber. Ha? So, pipino. And that is 3 kilos worth 200 pesos. Okay? 1 kilo is 70 pesos. Ha? Okay? And that is from Kimyang Sanim.
Kimyang Sanim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Bugat Inday. Duha mi ka plastic, ha? So, paon ka na daghan, ha? Okay, and if mukhang ka na to take video, okay? Para makita ni Kim yung Sanim if ganahan ba ka na or dili. If you will like it or not, ha? And then, mukhaon na ka na? Aw, sabi na ko. Sige, bye-bye. Kamsahamnida, Kim yung Sanim. Manimogo, Tibeya.
Annyeonghaseyo! Hello, Yunchulnim. How are you? How's your birthday? I just want to say happy birthday and hoping for your good health always. Thank you for all the support, especially in Calabihan area. Once again, happy birthday and kamsahamnida.